Good morning. I'm Emma Blankenship with Park University, and welcome to Wednesday Café, where every week I drink my coffee and share quick networking tips to help you grow your career. Today I want to talk about small talk. Some of you don't think much about it, but others dread it. In fact, I think I can hear the introverts groaning now. Like it or not, making small talk is a part of life, and your professional life is no different. Picture it. You're walking into a happy hour put on by an organization that you're not a part of, and a quick scan of the room tells you there's no one here that you know. But then someone approaches you and says, "Hey, I'm Steve. How are you today?" If this situation leaves you feeling a little sweaty, here's a few quick tips to make small talk easier. Number 1, ask open-ended questions instead of yes or no questions. If you ask a question like, "So, are you a part of this group?" you're putting all the pressure on your conversational partner to make an interesting answer out of their yes or no. Instead, why not try a question like, "So, what do you like best about this group?" Number 2, keep your phone silenced and put away. Nothing will kill a conversation more quickly than someone pulling out their phone. Even if you're just pulling it out to show the person a picture, nobody wants to watch you scrolling through hundreds of other pictures to get to it. They are going to start scanning the room for other people to talk to. Number 3, be ready with some go-to topics. If you're nervous about small talk, it may be helpful for you to have a list of go-to questions and topics. There are books and websites filled with great conversation starters. Commit a few of your favorites to memory so that you can whip them out whenever you need to be rescued. Here's a few of my favorites. What's your favorite part of your job? How did you get into your field? How did the pandemic affect your company's culture, and has it changed for the better? But remember, you don't have to talk about work. You can try something fun like, "Are you ready for the big game on Sunday?" I have friends coming into town this weekend and they've never been to Kansas City. What do you think are the top 3 things they should see? Ooh, what's that you're drinking? What do you do for fun? All right, those are a few of my quick tips for easy small talk. Do you have any great tips? Leave them in the comments, and I'll see you right back here next week for more Wednesday Café.